Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. The defendant contested the claim of the plaintiff and in paragraph 14 of the written statement, it was specifically stated that the shoot land was earlier in possession of Tanku and thereafter, it came in possession of the defendant. Full stop. The trial court dismissed the suit by judgment and decree dated 6/10/2012. Full stop. Against the judgment and decree of the trial court, civil appeal number 227 of 2012 was filed by the plaintiff hyphen petitioner, which remains pending till date. Full stop. During pendency of the appeal, an application was moved for amendment in the plaint, which came to be dismissed for non-prosecution, and thereafter, again an application was moved for amendment, which came to be rejected by the impugned order dated 21/11/2016, passed by the appellate court, before which the appeal was pending. Full stop. By the amendment application, paragraph 4A was sought to be added in the plaint to take a plea that Tanku did not have any issue and that he used to reside with the plaintiff, and that during his lifetime, Tanku had transferred possession as well as title of the suit property to the plaintiff, and therefore, the plaintiff became the owner in possession of the suit property. Full stop. The appellate court rejected the amendment on two grounds. Full stop. The first ground was that earlier also application for amendment was moved, which was rejected, and therefore, the second application was not maintainable. Full stop. The second ground was that if the amendment was allowed, the nature and basis of the claim of the plaintiff would change, and therefore, the amendment would cause prejudice to the other side. Full stop. Stanza. The submission of the learned counsel for the petitioner is that insofar as the first ground for rejecting the amendment application is concerned, the same is not legally sustainable, because the rejection of the earlier amendment application was not on merits, but was got dismissed as not pressed, inasmuch as there were few technical errors, and accordingly, a fresh application was not barred by principle of res judicata. Full stop. The second submission of the learned counsel for the petitioner is that since the trial court itself had come to the conclusion that the land belongs to Tanku, no prejudice would be caused to the other side if the plaintiff accepts the title of Tanku and amends the plaint accordingly, and in any case, since the land does not belong to the defendant, therefore, no prejudice would be caused on allowing of the amendment. Full stop. From the decisions noticed above, it is thus clear that pre-trial amendments, which are to address the real controversy between the parties in the suit, are not to be disallowed ordinarily unless it seriously prejudices the interest of the other side, full stop. But comma, in a case, comma, where trial has commenced and parties have led their evidence, comma, at the time of allowing the amendment, comma, the court, with reference to the facts and circumstances of each case, has to consider the question of prejudice caused to the other side in the event of amendment being allowed, full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 90 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, एंड फॉर प्लेलिस्ट ऑफ दिस डिक्टेशन सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।